Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you another variety of problem under the marginal costing. So in such variety of problems, in the problem it may ask you to calculate the sales. So here they will give the profit amount. Based on that, I mean to say, to earn that much of profit, how much sales has to be done. So that in that case we are supposed to find out what the sales. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ನ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಅರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೈರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಬೈ ದ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ದೆನ್? To calculate the sales in rupees, this is the formula: sales equals to desired profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Or else, instead of that, you can use another formula to calculate the sales in rupees: break-even sales in rupees plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So by using these two formula, we can calculate what the sales amount we can calculate over here, right? But when we are going to calculate the sales units, in that case we are supposed to use this formula, which is sales desired profit plus fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So this can be used for the calculation of units. So let us see one problem which is relates to this formulas. So here it is a problem. Let's go through the problem. From the following information, calculate PV ratio, break-even sales, margin of safety, profit rupees 20,000. Find the sales. So here they have mentioned what the profit they have mentioned over here. So to earn 20,000 rupees of a profit, how much sales has to be done? So we have to find out here what sales, right? So what are the details they have given means fixed cost is 18,000, variable cost per unit is 14, selling price per unit is 20, output is 5,000 units sold. So these are the informations they have given. Based on this information, first let us calculate the profit. So to calculate the profit, first we have to take the sales. Sales here they have given what the selling price is 20 per unit. So here they have given per unit. So we have to convert into the total amount for 5,000 units. So 5,000 into 20, we will get how much? 1 lakh. That 1 lakh we have taken here, and per unit is 20 as it is we have taken. Next, minus variable cost. Variable cost is 14 per unit that we have taken under the per unit column, and then 14 into 5,000, it will be 70,000 that we have taken into the rupees column. And next, let's deduct the variable cost into the sales. So here it is sales is 20 and variable cost is 14. So the contribution will be 6. 20 minus 14, it will be 6. So here 1 lakh minus 70,000, it will be 30,000 rupees of a contribution the company have been done. Next, fixed cost. So fixed cost we have to deduct into the contribution. What is the contribution over here? 30,000. In the 30,000, let us deduct the fixed cost, which is rupees 18,000. 30,000 minus 18,000, we will get the profit of is how much? 12,000 of profit we have got here. Next, let us calculate the PV ratio. So to calculate the PV ratio, we have got the formula contribution divided by sales into 100. What is the contribution? Already we have calculated here, which is 30,000 that we have taken. 30,000 divided by sales is how much? 1 lakh rupees that we have taken into 100. So if we do, we will get how much? 30% of a PV ratio. Next, calculation of break-even sales. To calculate the break-even sales, we got the formula like fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio, right? So what is the fixed cost? Already they have mentioned in the problem, it is 18,000 that we have taken. PV ratio we find out here, which is 30%. 18,000 into 30%, it will be how much? 60,000 rupees. So in the same way, we have to calculate the break-even sales also. To calculate the break-even sales, we got the formula like break-even sales in rupees divided by selling price per unit. So break-even sales per unit break-even sales in rupees is how much? Already we calculated, which is 60,000 that we have taken. Selling price per unit already they have given in the problem, which is 20, right? So that also we have taken. 60,000 divided by 20, it will be 3,000 units. Next, let us calculate the calculation of margin of safety. To calculate the margin of safety, The formula is total profit divided by PV ratio. What is the total profit? Already we find out here, which is 12,000. 12,000 divided by PV ratio is 30%. 12,000 divided by 30%, we will get how much? 40,000. It is the margin of safety in rupees. And next, margin of safety in units means total profit divided by contribution per unit. Total profit is already we know, which is 12,000 divided by contribution per unit is 6. So 12,000 divided by 6, it will be 2,000 units. 2,000 units is the margin of safety. Next, let us calculate the sales. So here already we have told you the formula to calculate the sales, which is the desired profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So here desired profit is already they have mentioned in the problem, which is 20,000. That 20,000 we have taken, plus fixed cost is 18,000. That also we have taken, divided by 30% is what the PV ratio that we have taken. So ultimately we will get how much? 1,26,667 is the 67 rupees is the sales. And next, sales in unit means desired profit plus fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Desired profit is how much? 20,000 plus 18,000 divided by 6. It will be, the total will be 6,333 units we have got. So this is how we have to calculate the sales when in the problem they give the profit.